Yo, what's up guys? Casting here, and today I'm not gonna be doing any raw footage. I'm gonna be doing an edited video finally, iPad review, because I feel like this is needed because you guys, like, the technology is more of a perspective of what I'm doing, like the technology and what technology that I'm using is like it's making the tattoo process a lot better, and that's for a lot of people. That's for the tattoo industry in itself, and a lot of people and a lot of tattooers will be able to connect with me when I say that. One of the reasons I want to do this video is because I walked into a tattoo shop before, and he was stenciling a tattoo for a person, and some artists, some people like it, but he was just doing the old way that I was doing it. Honestly, I think I have a video of me doing that the old long way. And you guys, stencils, dude. Stencils used to take up to like an hour or two for me, and if you wanted a really great one, a great tattoo, yeah, you're looking at 2 hours, right? But stencils, I'm actually gonna have I'm gonna order the inkjet stencils and the Epson printer this week. As soon as my funds go through this week, I'm about to order those, and I'm about to show you guys even more of how the tattoo industry is innovating, and it's crazy. You guys, if some of y'all who are coming to me now understand that I'm able to print things like these in minutes, and then boom, applied. Like, literally, this tattoo, I would have to like draw each little line, and if I wanted to shade it, I would have to draw the gradients of the shade I want. And I got this done in about 5 minutes. Pulled it off the internet in that 10-minute frame. So I got that stencil ready and on him in less than 10 minutes, and it was great. You know, I'll put a video of that in here. It's gonna be cool. Here are my layers, and I created this tattoo, which I'm doing today. Y'all should stay tuned for live stream. Well, actually, never mind. So, check this out. What did I start with? I started with the tattoo that he wanted. With the idea that he wanted, and he wanted me to turn it into something. So I'm going with the helmet on top with bamboo in the back, a tattoo idea. So what I did, he wanted a realism. That's why he came to me, because the tattoo artists around here can't really do that. So I added a realistic gun. Then I added a realistic helmet. And I added the words how I want them. And then I add all these layers. And remove this one, and I believe this is it. And you guys, the back button, everything, like, literally, it's such a great app, like Procreate for artists. I recommend it highly. And this is what I came up with. So this is the final layer, the words and everything, the realist, and then what I'm gonna do from now is run it through another app, a free app. This Procreate is not free, but it's definitely worth it. I'm gonna run it through another app on my iPad where I'm able to render it into black and white, have the lines in there, and then I'm able to run it through the stencil machine. So that's the process of what I'm doing now. As far as that, what else does what else does the iPad do? The iPad, honestly, you guys, that right there saves hours and hours and hours. I'll show you guys some more pieces of what I've done. And literally, I'm a beginner again to getting all this stuff, but I'll show you guys some of the stuff I've done and want to work on. So, friend wanted a Viking theme, I brought together these with, again, multiple layers, you guys. A bunch of cropping of these two figures, put in another one. Put in the sun. What else? Put together this one, and I have, oh, that one's already put on my wall. I thought it was around me, but the paper version, black and white. This one was cool. Put the moon behind it, put the Baroques in it. I love that picture of, I love that drawing of Jesus. What else? Has a Sacred Heart in it. That's pretty cool. Okay, you guys, I did this one. This is the final drawing. I don't really like doing the final outline. I like just printing the image as the black and white of what I showed y'all, and then putting into the tattoo. But for this one, what I did was, you can't really see, but hang on, actually. I put in this, I found a composition of 3 roses and a compass, and he wanted a clock with that face on it, so I just did some editing, some warping, and then there's the final product. And this one's gonna be nice. I love that one's gonna be really beautiful. The fine detail on that clock. This one, a locket with little Cupid in it. I said a little Cupid. With a little baby angel in it. So that one's gonna be fun to do as well. And you guys, literally, I'm getting quicker and quicker at these. I want more designs. Oh, this one's cool. This one's actually what I'm gonna tattoo on myself soon. Soon. If you guys know me, I don't have tattoos. I do have one. I don't have tattoos yet. I don't know what I want, but yeah. So this is gonna be in my hand. This is the Vitruvian Man with a Buddha position in the middle, which is cool. That's something about me. So that's gonna be cool. And you guys are like, again, Procreate, Apple Pencil, an iPad, that helped me. It helped made it happen. Helped the stencil game. These helped in the stencil game, but I'm gonna do another video on how the stencil works. How the future of the stencil, like, literally is the future, you guys. You're about to walk in the shops. I don't even want to talk about it. But you guys, trust me, I'm about to do a review on that once it comes in. Stay tuned. I'm really excited on that. If you guys don't know me, my Instagram is at 99cash. Y'all can check that out. I'm gonna start doing the time length because I'm trying to get quicker with these timepieces. As you know, I do realism. I'm trying to progress a lot. 2 years fresh. What's it called? You can find me on Facebook, 99cast. I'm working on growing that one. YouTube, please subscribe, like, share, comment, and thank you for watching. Peace.
Wait.